Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix FC2625 anti-cheat error, DiscSoftLTD Daemon Tools error on FC26, right? So without further ado, let's get started. So basically the problem with this that in a lot of times your controller apps can prevent you from playing the FC26 and it causing this issue here, like Revast or DS4 Windows, because FC26 is blacklisted these third-party controller programs, and basically that's why you're getting the error. And if you uninstall them, also maybe you had like Revast or DS4 Windows on your computer, you uninstall them, but there is also leftover files on your computer. So the first thing what I suggest to do here is to install to your computer the apps like Revast or DS4 Windows that you used. Then what you need to do here, you need to install Revo uninstaller here, because when the app is installed, it will be way easier for us to delete the app and also leftover files. So once you have, for example, Revast and Revo installer on PC, you need to then open Revo installer, and then you need to look for that particular app. And then what you need to do next is to press install, press continue, wait for a couple of seconds until it's done. Then when you get this message here, press scan, and we need to look for leftover files. As you can see here, there is plenty of it here. So make sure to all the files is selected and then press delete. Once it's deleted, once all the leftover files is deleted here, and you can finish with Revast as well. So as you can see, there is more leftover files, so just delete all the leftover files here. And after the app and leftover files is deleted, then try to launch the game and your issue should be solved. So that's pretty much it. If I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.